Okay, now we have to understand what is conjugate hyperbola. Now, do you remember that we used to have two ellipses, horizontal ellipse, vertical ellipse. Now, we have in hyperbola, we have hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola. So, if we will talk about hyperbola, this means we guys are talking about x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So if I'll talk about hyperbola, I'll be writing this thing. And if I'll be talking about conjugate hyperbola, I'll be talking about this equation. Means the only change will be change in 1. Okay. Now, you will connect this conjugate hyperbola with vertical ellipse. Okay. You will take help of vertical ellipse to answer these questions. Okay. So the answers that you have given in the horizontal hyperbola case, you have to answer the same thing in here as well. Okay, so you know that in this case we will have vertical hyperbola, correct? No, so look at this. So this is your conjugate hyperbola. Suppose now you know that there will be directrix. You know that here also we will have directrix. Now look at this. Do you remember who was this thing? So this was 0 comma BE. So foci. So here also foci will be 0 comma BE. And this foci will be 0 comma minus of BE. Okay. Now, do you remember who was this? Yes. Like directrix. So directrix was y equals to B by E. So here also y equals to B by E, and here y will be equal to minus of B by E. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. So again there will be a auxiliary circle which will pass through the vertex of hyperbola. Okay, so this is your auxiliary circle. Okay, you can write down the equation by using this as the diameter. Okay, this is auxiliary circle. Now suppose that I want you to tell me what are the parametric coordinates. Okay, so again you will first multiply by minus both side, and then again you will go with sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, now you guys have connected horizontal sorry vertical ellipse with conjugate hyperbola, so you will take help of those relationships. Okay, so suppose that I am interested in finding the relationship between AB and E, okay, in conjugate hyperbola. So you know that it is derived from vertical ellipse. So in vertical ellipse B is bigger, so B will go inside. So 1 minus E square will remain. So B square will be there, and then A square. So in place of B square, you have to replace minus of B square, and things are done. So this is the relationship between AB and E. Okay. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable.